Hi, it's Ian Knight, and today I will be teaching you how to make a Lego Ultrablade. First things first, we're going to need this piece, this piece, this piece, this piece, and this piece. And the diamond should be whichever color this piece is. First things first, you're going to need this piece and this piece. You put them on like this. Then you put this on the orange triangle like that. Make sure not to go too deep in. Make sure just to go a little bit in, or your Ultrablade will look tiny. So now you put this under this, but with this side facing up, not this side. Then you put the diamond on that like this. Now, there we have our Ultrablade, and of course you'll need a human of any type to hold the Ultrablade. You see? Oh, and if you want a holder for the Ultrablade, first you have to take the human's head off, and his hair if he has hair. And then you have this, and then you put this on it like this. See that? Then you put this on the human's neck like this. And then you put the head back on, and then you put the Ultrablade in like this. And if you want to put it like this, you can't put it this way. You have to put it this way or this way. You can't put it down. And that's all for how to make a Lego Ultrablade. Please subscribe to me and my brother's channel called Ian and Luke. Bye!